Welcome all of you class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. I am in the class 11C Political Science. I am going to explain a chapter development. Class, first of all, you know what is the meaning of development. So development is the idea which convey the progress, well-being of society and growth and fulfill the aspiration of peoples. But class, some section of our society was taking development as a narrow-minded. Some people were talking about the economical situation, what is the per capita income, what is their GDP of a country, and what is the situation of economic condition of a country. These are the things which are decided that the country is developed, undeveloped or underdeveloped. But this concept of develop कि जो concept का development है कि country on the basis of economic development and modernization, we cannot define the development. This is a narrow-minded definitions. So class, what are the another thing which should be in the development? In the development, the development is not कि when one section of society was benefited and other was taking the burden of development. This is not a development. In a development, basic necessities of each person should be fulfilled. Roti, kapda and makan, sadak, bijli and pani. These are the things were available for a common person. Peoples will be able to live in a fruitful life in a minimum living condition. They have a need to safe drinking water. They have a need to employment. So a person have a need of health care, education. A person have a need to nourishment. So these are the things which we are talking basically about sustainable development. So sustainable development in which the basic needs of the society will fulfill, people got the employment, take a proper health care, education and employment, and where in the society the aspiration of peoples will fulfill. To such country we can say this is a maybe a developed country. The class different countries were adopted different model of development. Some countries were adopted the socialist model, the state control economy. Some countries were adopted the capitalism, liberal democracy, and where the state give the opportunity for a free competition, free trade, market economy. People can earn profit by their hard work. So different countries were adopting a different model of development, and so we should have a broader understanding of development. What is the meaning of development? Development के मायने क्या होने चाहिए? Class, next topic is challenges of development. Challenges of development. Development. Class, during the era of 1950 and 60, many countries from the Asia and Africa was got the independent from the colonial rule, and during the decolonization process, many Asian African countries got independent from their colonial master. And these newly independent countries have some common problem like unemployment, class. When newly independent countries from Asia or Africa were got independence, so they have a common problem like a problem of unemployment. They were they have a poverty. They have a challenge of malnourishment, illiteracy, and lack of basic amenities. Class. The country from Asia or Africa who have got the freedom from the British colonial era, they were suffering from some common problems like poverty. These Asian African countries were basically poor. The peoples are illiterate, unemployed, they have no jobs, how they earn their livelihood, and they have a lack of basic amenities, means their living was low standards. They have they cannot fulfill their basic needs. Their life of standard are very low, and their basic amenities are also not available like safe drinking water, house. Okay, class. They have a lack of technology. So all the country which are got the independent from the colonial rule, they have a facing same problem. And you know what was the reason of their problem of this country? These countries were saying the problem of their country was coming by the colonialism, because the colonial master was exploiting the people and their colony. So this is the region of the backwardness of these colonies like India. So India was also exploited by their colonial master British. Britishers were ruining our economy, and with the trading with India, Britishers convert profit in favor of British. India और ब्रिटेन का साथ ट्रेड होता, तो प्रॉफिट विल ऑलवेज गोइंग इन द हैंड ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स. तो ब्रिटिशर्स were ruin our economy. They destroy our employment opportunity in our country. And now after the gaining of independence, these independent countries, the newly independent country of Britain, newly independent country from the Britain, France, which were come existence in Asia and Africa, they were now utilizing their resources for their development. They were making different plan for their economic development. They were trying to best use of their economy in favor of their country's development. Class, like on our India was adopted a 5-year plan, Panchvarshi Yojana, for their economic development, and we are adopted a mixed economy. We are also adopting the Soviet model, which are the things are under the state control. So we are adopted, and similarly we are also adopted the market economy, where the interfere of the government among the business were minimum. So we are adopted both private and public, both sectors were adopted for the country's development. Class, our country was using Panchvarshi Yojana, but first 5 year plan, second 5 year plan, third 5 year plan. But after a 5 year plan, we cannot fulfill the aspiration of peoples. Uh, can put the idea of development is not correct. This is correct, but the idea of development was is on only paper. Actually, this was not implemented in practical life. That is why this was failed, and the aspiration of peoples, they were not fulfilled, and our country was continue facing this problem of poverty, illiteracy, and some other problems. Minimum low standard of living, we are always facing. So now someone suggesting to use the alternative model of development for the country. So this was a great discussion upon this. Class, some countries were adopted the ideology which was using by the Western countries for like a market economy, modernization. Many countries were following the West. They take the loans from the rich countries and they were trying to make the plan for economic development. But this was very risky. Suppose a country which was taking a loan from the big rich countries and the poor country was failed to fulfill their loans, what should be the condition of poor country? Their sovereignty will save, or at this condition poor country was going with the compromise with big powers. So these are the challenges class of development कि कौन सा मॉडल वी कैन अडॉप्ट, कौन सा मॉडल अपनाया जाए. इंडिया वॉज अडॉप्टिंग अ मिक्स इकोनॉमी and in our India both private and public sector, both players were allowed to do the productivity, provide the facility for the human beings in India and contribute the development of a country. Class, after the independence, in first 5 year plan, the government of India was focused for the agriculture sector, and our Indian government was invest money in the field of agriculture to raise the irrigation facility. Our government was established dams, big dams, canals for the irrigation facility. And our government was also, the second 5 year plan, our government was also established big industries like iron and steel industries which are under the state control, and some other hospitals, road transports will increase, was increased. Okay, so our government was in the 5 year plan, our government was trying to achieve the target of development, but we cannot achieve our aims. What was the problem in our planning? Our planning is not good. Class, planning is good, but this planning is all only on the paper. Actually, this plan was not implemented because the person who have in a power, they were already landowners, landlords, so they don't give up their lands for the development of a country. So planning is good, but actually this was not implemented in real life. That is why the aim which was decided by our government was not achieved. Our government was also trying to improve the technology in our country with the collaboration of the more modern country. Our Indian government was established, Indian Institute of Technology was established by the Indian government with the collaboration of the Western and richer countries, and it was the revolution of information technology in our country, and it was accelerate the economic growth. You know, today we are looking so many software engineer were finding job in the USA. Like example is Satya Nadella. So by this effort, some amount of development will also be received, which are looking as the result. We are also trying to modernize our society. We are set up industries, and we will try to just now come on the next topic, the criticism of the development model. Class, the different countries which are using the different model, they have a different criticism. Like some countries were taking debt, taking loan from the rich countries, and were trying to economic development with the help of this loan, and suppose this they were failed to achieve their goal. Now this country was going in the debt. So this sometimes the model they were adopted, it was very risky for a country. The country was going in the debt, and this model of development was sometimes was very costly, like a market economy where the people were taking loans, and with the help of this loan they were trying to achieve their goal. But if they fail, so the country was in the debt, and it was very bad for a country. So there was a many criticism, and similarly like India was adopted the model, and our problem of poverty, illiteracy, malnourishness were not removed. So the India which was adopted the plan which did not fulfill the aspiration of peoples, so there was a great criticizes. There was so much criticizes of the work of the India, and which was adopted after the independence, because this will not fulfill the aspiration of India. And similarly other countries which are adopting the model, and they are not suited for them. And there are some another criticism of the model of development, like the social, many countries were got the development but at the cost of society. Okay, the social cost of development. Means when a country like India or others were making a dam, yeah, so many people were displaced, like Narmada Bachao Yojana, you know about this. When the government was making dam, and so many people were displaced, they lost their livelihood, they lost their homes, and sometimes government was not providing compensation, and the peoples were displaced. So we are got the development, but on the cost of society. Some section of social groups were deeply hurt. Plus, to for a big development project like a dam and industries, people's lost their natural home, the whole community life, they lost their culture, they lost their livelihood. So many times when we on the development, it was on the great cost. In the like rural area, people lost their land and they were going in cities, and life a marginalized life become a marginal life. And Similarly, the next problem is economical cost of the development. When a country was got that model of development, so many times we pay the cost of environment. Many trees, like for the mining activities, many trees were cut down, and this was damaged our environment. And when we are using these fuels, our environment again pollute. So our environment was damaged when we are trying to develop a country, like we are using fuels, petrol, diesel and coal, and this increase the pollution of our environment, this pollute our atmosphere, and sometimes the waste of industries were also going in the river. So aquatic life was also damaged, water pollution increased, and in the development. Welcome class. Class, your topic is the criticism of development model. There are basically two types of criticism. The first is social cost of development, and the second is the environmental cost of development. For the development, some section of society was class. I want to explain the second environmental cost of development. Class, when the government was making a plan, like making a dams or for to establish the industries or doing the mining activities, due to this our environment was deeply hurt. Like when we are going to mining, large trees were cut down, and this was damaged our environment. And when we are using fuels like coal, petrol, diesels, and the pollution which are created by the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, it will damage our environment, and due to this global warming, and due to global warming, the glaciers which are available are melt. The snow which are on the mountain were also melt, and the coastal areas like Bangladesh and Maldives will be submerged in the sea. So there was a cost of the model of development was economical cost of the means the environment was damaged by this model of development. Global warming and air pollution. Everyone is taking breath, and air pollution is not discriminated among the rich and poor. Both were equally hurt by the air pollution. So the peoples are adopted the model of development, but it was a damage our environment and global warming. Acid rain is very common in the European countries, and these is the environmental cost.